Hello, I am Dr. Humaira from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My title is The Hormonal Control of Kidney Function. The major hormones involved in regulating kidney function are angiotensin second, aldosterone, antidiuretic hormone, and ANP. The secretion of angiotensin second, aldosterone, and ADH is integrated by the renin angiotensin system. The renin angiotensin system, if the glomerular pressure remains low because of decrease in blood volume, a fall in systemic pressures, or a blockage in the renal artery or its tributaries, the juxtaglomerular apparatus release renin into the circulation. Renin converts inactive angiotensinogen to angiotensin first, which is a converting enzyme, activates to angiotensin second. Angiotensin second has the following effects. It in peripheral capillary beds, it calms a brief but powerful vasoconstriction, elevating blood pressure in the renal artery. It also helpful at the nephron, triggers the contraction of arterioles, elevating glomerular pressures and filtration rate. It also helpful in the central nervous system, triggers the release of antidiuretic hormone, which in turn stimulates the reabsorption of water and sodium ions and causes the sensation of the thirst. At the adrenal gland, it stimulates the secretion of aldosterone by the cortex and epinephrine and non-epinephrine hormones by the adrenal medulla. The result is a sudden increase in systemic blood pressure. At the kidney, aldosterone stimulates sodium reabsorption along distal cannulated tubules and collecting ducts. Antidiuretic hormone ADH is nothing but the antidiuretic hormone increase the water permeability of the distal cannulated tubule and collecting duct, stimulating the reabsorption of water from tubular fluids and causes the sensation of thirst, leading to the consumption of additional water. ADH release occurs under angiotensin second stimulation. It also occurs independently when hypothalamic neurons are stimulated by a fall in blood pressure or an elevation in the solute concentration of the circulating blood. Aldosterone. Aldosterone is also secreted, helpful for the stimulate the reabsorption of sodium ions and secretion of potassium ions along distal cannulated tubule and collecting duct. Aldosterone secretion primarily occurs under angiotensin second stimulation and in response to a rise in potassium ion concentration of the blood. The last unit is atrial natriuretic peptide, which is also denoted by the ANP. The action of atrial natriuretic peptides oppose those of the renin angiotensin systems. NP is released by atrial cardiac muscle cells when blood volume and pressure are too high. The action of ANP that affect the kidneys include decrease in the rate of sodium ion, reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubule, leading to increase sodium ion loss in the urine. The dilation of glomerular capillaries, which results in increased glomerular filtration and urinary water loss, and inactivation of renin angiotensin system through inhibition of renin, aldosterone, and antidiuretic hormone secretion. The net result is an accelerated loss of sodium ions and an increase in volume of urine produced. This combination lowers blood volume and blood pressure. So, this is about the hormonal control of kidney function and renin angiotensin system. Thank you very much.